Dear friends, welcome to Net Set Exam Preparation Series. In this video, let me discuss one question asked in Net 2023 December. This question includes some important information regarding postmodernism, meta-narrative, simulacra simulations, parody and pastiche. So this was the question asked. Which of the following statements, concepts are relevant for understanding of postmodernism? So this is the umbrella term. Related to postmodernism, out of these five, how many statements are true regarding postmodernism? So though there are five sentences, so the first sentence that is related to postmodernism is Lyotard argues that the postmodern condition is characterized by a deeply felt skepticism towards meta-narratives. So the thing to be understood is, so postmodernism does not like, it has skepticism towards meta-narrative. What is meta-narrative? We'll discuss. The second important sentence related to postmodernism is Jean Bolyard's simulacra and simulations. So these are the two important terms to be understood. Simulacra and simulations is a seminal postmodern text. Actually, it is a text. Then the third one is Frederick Jameson argues that parody has been replaced by pastiche in postmodernism. So all the three, so option 2, option 4 and option 5 are directly related to postmodernism. Now it is very important to understand what is meta-narrative, what is simulacra and simulations. So though it is a book, then what is parody and pastiche? First, meta-narrative. A meta-narrative is story within a story. So a larger story that has got or that accommodates more stories within. So this is the definition goes. A meta-narrative is a global or totalizing cultural narrative or schema which orders and explains knowledge and experience. So it is a story about a story encompassing and explaining other little stories. So it is a larger narrative that includes more small narratives. Now let's have this idea, simulacra and simulations. This book is written by Jean Bolyard in 1981. So important year to be noted. First, the author wrote this book in French. Then what is simulacra? Simulacra are copies that depict things that either had no original or that no longer have an original. So if we go by examples, so if an author states something, so it may be a oral narrative. So the author records something, but if you want to verify the source, there won't be any source. There are so many narratives being recorded, but if a particular narrative does not have original, or it is the original is no longer available, so that narrative can be called as simulacra. Simulation, we know it is just an imitation of the original. So here so many video games we know, so that is based on simulation. So we enter into the virtual world, so it is an imitation of the operation of a real world process or a system over time. So simulation and simulacra. Simulation, the imitation of the original. Simulacra, the imitation which does not have any original. The next idea given in postmodernism is, so parody has been replaced by pastiche. So what is a parody? So parody, you should have seen so many news shows in which political leaders or their manners are being imitated, and they are ridiculed, fun. So parody is fun filled. So it imitates the manner, it imitates the style, it imitates a particular literary work, genre, author, anything. So parody's objective is presenting things in a funny way. Whereas we have pastiche. Pastiche, it combines or pastes together multiple elements. So the very objective of pastiche is paying homage. For example, if a work is rewritten, so the objective will not be, or if a work is imitated, an individual is imitated, the objective will not be funful. The objective will be paying homage to the original. So parody aims at fun, pastiche aims at that is uh, that is celebration. So that is, let me give you two examples. Lynn Carter's Conan the Barbarian is the best example for pastiche. So like that, Margaret Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale, The Handmaid's Tale is a example of pastiche. Thank you. All the best.